Announcing from Bleek Rides, a subsidiary of Lousy Productions and a subsidiary of Lousy Core, the Moto Rider. Welcome back, everyone. Why am I tilted? Hard to say. Welcome back, everyone, to another Bleek Rides. It's 1 degree today in Iowa, and with the wind chill, feels like -11. So I won't be doing any garage work. I had planned a video, another one of This Old Driveway, if you follow any of my series. We're going to be adjusting our rear drive belt. I don't want to go brave that cold today. So instead, we're going to do some talking. Something I'm pretty damn good at. I got some new stuff for the Dyna. Pretty excited to get riding this bike. In the meantime, since I can't do anything, I've spent money. Money I probably shouldn't have, but here we are. When you live cockroach class, you make lousy choices. Or good choices, based on taste. I bought some products over the years from a company called Viking Bags. I'll insert their logo here. And I really liked the hard cases I bought. I also really liked customer service. I had an issue with my locks. I believe I got a woman on the phone named Celeste, and she was incredibly helpful. So she resolved the issue I was having. They sent me the part I needed, and I was good to go. Bags were incredible. I liked them so much, I took them off the bike I had, and now they sit in my garage. So maybe I should think about what I want to do with those. In the meantime, I ordered a fairing from them, and that's in a previous video. Overall, I think I still got some fitting to do. Not sure I actually like that fairing for that particular bike. It's a high quality product. My only complaint involved the instruction sheet. So, having dealt with Viking a little bit, I should back up. A long time ago, they also reached out to your old buddy Bleek and said, hey, would you be interested in trying one of our products? They sent me a bag, Florida and back. It worked out incredibly. I never did do that follow-up video, so at least what I'll do is say, Viking, every product I've gotten from you has been 100% top-notch. Superlative? Well, I've been chatting a minute. Let's talk about some of the stuff I picked up, and then we'll get into the Viking stuff. Now, the Dyna did come with a pretty nice Mustang seat, but it's trimmed out in red and silver, and I'll add in some imagery. Focus. Right there. And that's my Dyna 09 Super Glide. So, most recently, I picked up the Saddlemen for it. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, yeah. The step up with the lattice stitching. Very cool. Yeah. Wow. Now on to Viking. Like I said, I've tried a bunch of Viking's products, and all have taken care of me, done their job, been a really good product. And right now, Viking is having a site-wide sale. So I got this stuff pennies on the dollar. And I hope you'll take advantage of it too, because like I said, it's a really good sale. Okay, jumping into it. The Viking. Jumping into it. The Viking 18-liter soft bag. Street division. Easy zipper. Good quality. Little pocket there. Throw some stuff. What I really like about these bags is they have some organizing inside of them. Much more expensive bags. Just plain inside. Again, why am I repping this company? Why am I saying they're good? They took the time to put a rivet in on a part that would otherwise probably get ripped off due to torsional factors, pull. Very nice, high quality. Look, cross stitch. They didn't just stitch a square. I can't tell, it does look like single stitch, but they took the time to cross stitch So this isn't going anywhere even after many, many repeated uses. They've got molly points all over them. They actually come with 4 molly attachment pieces in this bag. They come with hardware, outfit a couple different designs, and they come with waterproof bags for them. Pretty cool. Viking made the everyday man's bag. It's right here and it's available. And if you sleep on this deal, if you've been wanting to get a set of these style bags for your bike and you sleep on this deal, that's on you. I mean, your old buddy Bleek told you. Had some technical difficulties. Had a unwanted party in the studio. Well, that's the wrong term. The party is back. I gotta get law enforcement involved. I told you you could have the box when I'm done, kitty. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Highway bar. Very nice for the Dyna. Let's see what we got. Okay. Vikings highway bar for the Dyna. Oh, look at that. Solid steel. Very nice. Got the screw-in ends. I assume they're in here. Yep. The weights, the end caps. I'll probably get some little skateboard wheels to do on mine. Look at that bar. $100. $100 made of steel. Let's talk about the welds, because I was a welder once upon a time. Everything is welded. I don't see a single spot not welded. They didn't just weld strips and then call it good. They continuous welded the entire thing. Parts look like they're stamped nice. Parts look generally straight. I don't see any warpage. I'd guess this thing to be between 3 and 5 pounds. Heavy duty. Solid steel. Alright, Key. Are you keeping that box, I guess? I can't have it back. You guys be careful. I got stuff placed haphazardly here. I don't want no kitties getting injured in any of my filming. So that's what I have. I ordered some Viking stuff. Site-wide sale. 15% off. This has been your old buddy Bleek. Bleek Rides. Lousy Productions. And this has been my visual inspection review of some of my new parts that I wanted to share with y'all. Can't wait to install these. That'll be its whole own video. But Bleek, why don't you make these videos all at once? Well, because of Iowa's weather, I'd probably have a stretch where I'd go 4 or 5 months without making a video. And as a YouTube content creator, or creator in general, I like to make stuff. And I don't like to get forgotten by the algorithm. So, although this isn't the video I would hope for, it's the video I have. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. Hey, you're the ones joining me on this journey. I appreciate you. Let me know you liked it. If you haven't already, subscribe. It's the best way to let me know my channel matters. And if you would, hit that bell as well. And then you can stay up to date, notified on all things Bleek Rides. And with that, I'll say if you can, weather permitting, just ride.